In this video, I would like to give you a short overview of Microsoft's new Microsoft Teams solution. That's, in our opinion, a bit of a game changer in this space and offers great new opportunities for agility planning users to collaborate in the process. Microsoft Teams is a place where nearly all aspects relevant to the organization come together. This includes having all aspects of team communication available to you at a click, from chat to voice and arranging online meetings at a click. Microsoft Teams is either available directly in your web browser or in a dedicated desktop app. Functionality is exactly the same. Microsoft Teams is an integral part of nearly all Office 365 editions, and the starting point is typically an Office 365 group where members share similar user rights. But it's also possible to add external users that are not part of your Active Directory into the team, just adding their email address. The only thing that's required is an Office 365 license. So we've had a quick look at the online collaboration features. The next aspect is intelligent file sharing. So here you can share files with your team, either upload them as required or add an existing cloud storage, which is quite a convenient feature. The next aspect that's integrated in Teams by default is a wiki or knowledge management environment where you can store all the relevant details and knowledge that you want to have available for the team members. And this works in a very easy fashion by just typing the new information in the Wikipedia. And of course, you can also add other types of content. Where it then gets interesting is that, so in addition to these three standard sections, you can include your own sections. And this could be a Word document that you want to collaborate on in real time, any other Office document, but also Power BI, which is then how you can access agility planning. So you just use the agility planning add-in that agility planning provides, and you can make your planning report immediately available in Microsoft Teams. You can see now the data entry report, so the users can drill down to the particular area where they want to add the budgeting features, click on a cell and enter the new budget value. A very effective way to collect your information, but then also to collaborate around it. So the users can then in real time automatically add their comments and effectively collaborate on the solution. It also works for Office documents. So when you're using agility planning in Excel, you can just link the related Excel-based report in Microsoft Teams, and then the users can here collaborate using the Excel report. Finally, the most important aspect is in the planning process, you typically find issues that you want to handle, and you want to manage tasks which allow you to address, for example, variances that are uncovered in the planning process, in the monitoring phase, to achieve your target. For the Microsoft Teams Planner application, from here the users on the one hand get a great overview of all the outstanding tasks and can also filter by the responsible person, but they can also add new things. So for example, if they discover in the planning process that there are issues to be addressed, they can just click here to add a new task and, for example, investigate pricing in Asia, set a due date for that, and also assign the respective person. Then the new task is added, and this task can now be again collaborated on, so you can add descriptions, you can add files, but you can also classify it. So in our case, we could say this requires immediate attention, so we're just dragging this into the immediate bucket. You can also assign labels to it that have some kind of meaning for us. So this concludes a quick overview of Teams. In our opinion, a fantastic new way to collaborate and integrate all the relevant aspects that your team requires into one place. Don't hesitate to contact us to discuss in more detail how Microsoft Teams and agility planning can take your team to the next level.